Short video. Here are the 9 planets. I'm going to do a letter count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. Mercury, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Earth, 5. Neptune, 7. Pluto, 5. So we have Pluto, Venus, and Earth. The numeric count, 5 times 20 is 100. 5 times 7, 35. 135. The letters are A, C, E. I'm only going to work on the 7 over here. 4 by 7, 7 by 7. When we do this, where is that 5 here? This is where it comes out to be. How do we calculate this? There's only one way, 7 times 5. Electric company, creation. This is inside the moon, 5775, or 77 times 75 equals 5775. Then 6 more years leads us to the Hebrew year of 5781, noted as the end of time, or ABC times God. ABC times God. 74. Jesus. Time on the cross. ABC, beta creation. Call me the cab. All about God, right? G and D. Forget about the O, because the O is Mars in between that separates the G, the gateway, from D. We're not going to talk about that right now. So we have Mercury and Jupiter that comes together, and the one dot on the cube is inside the 4 dot. Mercury and Jupiter. Numeric value 4 and 9. 9 and 9 is 18. 1 and 3 is 4. 4 and 18. 1 and 8 is 9. 4 and 9. Here's your 4 and 9, Uranus. So Jupiter, Mercury will come out in Uranus as the 7th planet, as the gateway. Inside, I'm just going to show you a few things between ABB. Mercury is the stable. Venus is the sun divide. Earth is the heart. Mars are the arms. Jupiter is the pits of Earth. Uranus is the sun aura. Ran. Saturn is another sun. Neptune, it says means one turn. Saturn in 1 turn. And Pluto is the toilet, roof for rent. You can't see it in here, but I'm going to try and explain how I get toilet. I'm not really sure. I can't remember how I deducted that. The word, this 84 is also half. 4 is half of 8. Representing half represents Mercury and Venus coming together. When we talk in numbers in French, we say 4 times 20. So everything, Venus comes in 4 parts. 4 parts, and Mercury is the center of the 4 parts. And Saturn is the opposite of the 4 parts because of the dice cube. 1 opposite of 6. 1 in between 2 on the dice cube. So when we come to all these, we run Mars, numeric value 51, Mars in arms. We have 80. 80 took over from Route 66, interstate, and shows me the cycle of the moon. The total is 108, all zeros equal to 6. Here we're going to have 66, because there's a double 0. All zeros equal to 6. As the 0, or the O, is the 15th letter, 1 plus 5 equals 6, and there's other reasons for it, that there's one center to everything that goes around. And here's another reason. 1 is the center of all, but there's an empty space here and an empty space here. So either if I turn it this way, the empty space is now in the other direction. So you only can use 6 of the 8. So 0 equals to 6, because this all connects together around the 1 dot. It's no here, no there, but I've been working with this system. And not only that, is that the first number after 5 is 6, and the first number to begin everything is 1, and 1 is opposite of the 6. So anyways, we're going to move on a little bit more. We have Saturn and Uranus, 3 6 letters, so they'll come together. 3 and 4 is the Earth and Mars connection through these two. So we have A, B, C, D. Hold on a second. We have A, B, C, D. We have 4 different scenarios here of numbers of letters. Here, 1 through 15, we'll call this the game of pool. Also 1 and 2 meaning 1/2 and 1/4. 1/4 is earth. 7 times 7, Christ. 7 plus 7, 49 and 14. You minus it, it gets 35. Electric company. You add it, it gets 63. 6 and 3. Creation of the half-life. Half-life. We don't need the center to know what's going on in Mars. 6 is the half-life, opposite of 1. 49, so we're going to bring Jupiter, Mercury together. Earth gets Venus and Pluto. Pluto is the child planet, roof for rent. The last thing here is the numeric value, all these values here. The letter count, the 13th letter, the first letter, the 18th letter, and the 19th letter. Total of 51. And if you go to Mighty Messer's channel, he's got this decipher board, because although A is number 1, we can keep moving the A over until it has a value of 9. So we can have different kinds of levels to every letter, but right now I'm working in one position, in prime. 103, 81, 52, 51, 99, 93, 94, 95, 84. Pluto, Jupiter, Mercury, Mars, Uranus. Here's your 147. Mercury is 31 days and 7 months. Mars has 30 days in 4 months. Mercury, yes. Mercury represents Valentine's, February. Mars represents the 4 months of 30 days, and Uranus represents the 7 months of 31 days. So 4 for February, April, June, September, November is for the 30 days. So then I would have to remember this is month 2. Mercury is month 2. February is Mercury. Lavette, I hope you're out there. And then Mars gets April, June, September, November, or the 4th, the 6th, the 9th, and the 11th month. And the Uranus gets the rest of the months, which would be, I'm not going to write them down, which would be January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. And the numbers would be 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12. So this will say Ace Gateway to 10 alphabetic creation in basic terms. And there's probably a whole lot more in here. I just went over this really quick. And Venus, Mercury, Earth. Venus, Mercury, Earth, Jupiter, Neptune, Pluto, 5, 7, 7, 5. Then you're left with Mars, Uranus, Saturn. These are the separations between the two. Thank you for watching this video. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Welcome to Friday, October 3rd, 2nd, 2020.